Where did it all go wrong? Morning everyone. Last week I was up in the Lake District and it was absolutely teeming down. Later in the video I'm going to show you how you can use that rain to enhance some of your landscape photography. But today I'm at a place called Stainforth in the Yorkshire Dales, where yesterday me and my daughter came to watch the salmon leaping up the falls. It's actually quite a spectacle. You may have seen it on the telly, but to watch it in real life it's something else. Now my daughter got set up. It's the first time she's seen these salmon, and I swear within 30 seconds, I mean, I don't know whether it's because of her youth or cat-like reactions, but she snapped a salmon within 30 seconds, smack bang in the middle of the frame. I'm quite jealous actually. But I've come back today, I've got this idea of maybe getting some like POV, close-up salmon, slow motion footage. It might be a bit of a wacky way to do things, but I'll show you my setup, and hopefully we'll get some action with these salmon. So this is my setup. Fishing rod, action cam, the always handy electrical tape. Now I won't be held responsible for anybody falling in the water. You have to get quite close up, please be careful and make sure your action cam's securely taped on. We don't want anybody losing the cameras. So this is all you do. Tape the camera. So this is all you do. Tape the camera, not quite to the end of the fishing rod, well, because this particular rod is sort of quite bendy at the end and the camera will be wobbling around, so if you put it further back it'll be a little bit more sturdy. Leave room when you're taping so you can still turn the camera on and off. Where did it all go wrong? That's it, job done. Let's go shoot some fish. Yesterday I came up Borrowdale way, it was absolutely pouring down, so I got my camera, got my lens. I thought I'll set off up here and just do a recce. Didn't bring all the rest of my gear. The plan was just to sort of try and find some compositions with different focal lengths and from different angles. Imagine what the conditions might be like at a future date, come back then and maybe hopefully get a good image. What I wasn't expecting was the rain actually gave me a composition, and I actually really like it. And I've come back to the exact same spot today, and it's a totally different image, and I'm going to show you why. I came across this silver birch tree that's just got a hint of autumn colours coming through. But what triggered something in my brain was it was sheeting down with rain, and between the tree and the hills in the background, that rain was creating like a veil. It just made the tree pop out of the image. Now this part of the hillside that I'm stood on right now is the only place I could capture this tree. If I move a couple of feet that way, the branches of this tree get in the way, same that side. If I start moving towards the tree and down the hill, I'll lose the bottom part of the tree, and there's actually a tree behind, so this is virtually the only part on this hill where I can take this image where I think it'll work. It just shows if just by moving short distances you can make or break a composition. I'll do the same post processing on both images, and I'll show you the results when I stop rabbiting on. So if you've enjoyed any part of this video, please feel free to like, share and subscribe if you haven't already. Click the notification bell and then you'll be informed of any future videos. So that's it for this week. See you next time. Well, if you got to here in the video, well done, congratulations and thanks for watching. I don't feel like I actually give enough information as regards shooting the video of the salmon, so if you need any more info, just leave a comment below and I'll gladly answer any questions.